Power. I have it. They don't.
They're in England. I don't think they can tell which way my back is facing.
Seize the moment, because tomorrow you might be dead. Xander, where did you go?
Buffy, knock it off. This gets over. I'm right here.
This is so typical of him. That was then. This is now. I was so hoping you'd do that. You're a dope, and a bonehead, and you're shirty. Let's face it, none of us are ever gonna have a happy, normal relationship. Miraculous love. Hello, lover. Oh, come on. That song sucks. Are you trying to get yourself killed? You can't leave me. I can't do this alone. You didn't really think she's fine. It's my hair. I have mom hair. Did I get it? Did I get it? What about me? I love you so much. And I tried to make you go away. I killed you and it didn't help. And I hate it. I hate that it's so hard. Let me answer that question with a headbutt. Me? I'm lost? Look at you, you idiot. Poor Spikey. Can't be a human, can't be a vampire. Where the hell do you fit in? And the Weird Behavior Award goes to... Who am I? You attack me, who the hell are you? My true nature. You want taste?